Australia's 10th biggest company, Woolies, reported stronger than expected half-year financial results. Here's what you need to know now. Australia's biggest supermarket chain reported their net profit after tax jumped 28% in the half year to $1.14 billion. That was in line with what the market was expecting, largely why its shares are doing well today. Aussie food sales rose 11% to $23 billion, with more people opting to eat their own cooking in the pandemic, and online sales grew 78% to $2.9 billion, while Big W sales roared up 20%. Now, on the flip side, due to lockdowns, especially in Victoria, hotel sales tumbled 28%. But to the delight of shareholders, earnings before interest and tax grew 19% to $2.1 billion, and that beat UBS expectations. Now, this overall earnings surge enabled Woolies to declare their strongest half-year dividend payout in 6 years, a 53-cent dividend. That's 15% higher than the same time last year. So if you want to get in on the dividend action, keep in mind that you need to buy the shares before they go ex-dividend on the 4th of March to be paid on the 14th of April. Now, as for Woolies' outlook for the second half, group sales are expected to fall from the COVID-19 hype across March to June this year, while hotel sales could see a bit of a rise from their low. That's assuming that there are no other widespread lockdowns. What else? Well, the fresh food people want to open up to 20 new Woolies supermarkets over the next 3 to 5 years in Australia, and also spin off their alcohol business that trades under the Endeavour Group. Now, that includes businesses like Dan Murphy's and BWS. Now, despite this, Woolies tabled that it wants to open up to 10 Dan Murphy's and up to 10 BWS stores over the next 3 to 5 years. So with this in mind, you'd think that Woolies will probably keep some of the ownership in Endeavour after they spin it off around June. Now, Woolworths shares rose about 0.6% to $39.32 after handing down their results, and Woolies shares are in a breakout from a technical perspective. Woolworths is a UBS, Citi, Morgan Stanley and Macquarie buy, while it's a hold for Credit Suisse.